Hi, my name is Sam from Hobart Nissan. It's been a wet and rainy day here in Hobart, but luckily I've been driving around our Nissan Juke TI. With rain sensing wipers, dust sensing headlights and heated seats, I've been very comfortable. Allow me to run you through all the features of this lovely Nissan Juke TI.
The Nissan Juke comes with a very refined design 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo engine that gives greater fuel economy of 5.8 litres per 100 kilometres but still has plenty of punch. On the outside of the new Juke, you'll notice plenty of great styling features including LED daytime running lights and some huge fog lights underneath. The Juke comes with Nissan's V-Motion chrome grille and honeycomb grille centre, as well as some lovely 19-inch alloy wheels on the TI model. The rear of the car also gets some lovely styling features such as LED rear tail lights and a top rear spoiler in black to blend in with the coupe crossover design, as you can see with the rear handle. The rear boot is huge for this type of size of car. It has 422 litres of capacity with the option to fold the seats down to allow 1,305 litres of storage. The rear seats are also extremely comfortable in a partial leather seat, and also the rear passengers won't be left without tech with a USB-C charging point. Up the front you get some bucket style seats that are very driver focused and comfortable, and of course plenty of modern tech with a very luxurious styling cabin. The TI comes with Bose Personal Plus audio, as well as a digital climate control setting with heated seats, an electronic park brake with auto hold, and even a nice big 8-inch touchscreen with built-in GPS and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity to allow you to use your phone, Spotify, Google Maps and any other apps you may want to use. When you press the camera button on the screen, you get access to your intelligent around view monitor to use when parking. You also get a 7-inch advanced drive assist display in the middle of your 2 dials, which you can also change by buttons on the steering wheel. I like the digital speedo. The Juke has a 5-star safety rating thanks to things like intelligent emergency braking with forward collision alert warning, lane departure warning, with intelligent lane intervention to keep you within the lanes, blind spot warning to notify you when there's a car in your blind spot, and even intelligent cruise control, which will maintain a distance between you and the car in front when in cruise control.
So there we have it, our Nissan Juke TI. If you'd love to inquire on one of these vehicles, give us a call on 62135460 or come down to Hobart Nissan to check out our all-new Nissan Juke TI.